Hello, welcome to Alex's Cocktail Club. I'm Alex and this is Cocktail Club. Tonight we're going to be making margaritas. If you've been sweating all day, you need margaritas to replace all the electrolytes. It's basically Gatorade. It's salty, it's sweet, it's a bit sour, it's got tequila, it's got everything you need. Classic margaritas first, one with a salted rim and one with the salt directly in it. And then we're going to mess around and make a few margarita variations. A fruity one and a Beer-Garita. In a normal margarita, you have tequila as the main participant, triple sec, freshly squeezed lime juice, and a salted rim. So I'm going to just squeeze some limes now. Salt the rim of one of these glasses, need a lime wedge, cut a notch in it, run it all the way around the outside of the glass, plate of salt, roll it around. It's important that you use flaked salt for this, not table salt. It'll just clump up and be gross. I'm going to shake this drink tonight. If you shake it, it'll be ice cold straight away. Tequila, a double for each drink, we're making 2. Triple sec, 20 ml for each drink. Lime, 15 ml for each drink. A few bits of ice in. Ice in the glasses. This one without the salted rim, we're going to put a little bit of lime chili salt straight in the drink. Just a little pinch. So good. Now that is a tasty drink. And I prefer to put the salt in because I know that I want my drink to be salty. If you're making a drink for yourself, I don't know why you would put salt all around the rim. Then you lick the salt off the rim. Yeah, salty. Or do you have a sip and then lick the salt? Like a teenager? Oh, no, don't do that. Okay. Now we're going to make a blueberry margarita. We're going to use blueberries instead of the triple sec. They're not quite as sweet, so we're going to put the basil syrup from last week in there to bring the sweet back up a bit. And the lime juice for the sour and the tequila for the tequila. And we're going to shake this one too. Double tequila, some blueberries. Muddle it, smash the blueberries, 15 ml lime, basil syrup. So sticky. Okay. Gonna add some ice for shaking. A lemon wedge, and some blueberries to garnish. Oh, that's a great looking drink. Could use some salt. Oh. And that's fantastic. Now we're going to make a Beer-Garita. It's mostly the same as a classic margarita, but it's got a beer in it. So I'll maybe have a little tidy up, and then we'll figure that one out. I'm about ready to make a Beer-Garita now. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do. figure it out as we go along. It's going to be nothing like that. More like this one maybe. And be a little bit wary about adding too much sweetness to it. We'll make it a double. A single of lime juice, all freshly squeezed. Put a little bit of the chili salt. And now we've got a margarita with no sweet element to it. We're going to put the beer in instead of that. Not too much, I think. Yeah, I think Tabasco is actually the solution to this. Just one. Cheers. Maybe it does want to be a little sweet. Oh, that's it. That's a fantastic drink now. So that is a double tequila, a single of lime, about a third of a bottle of beer, Tabasco, triple sec, and chili salt. Cheers. That is delicious. That is it for tonight. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Salty rims, anyone? I'm not going to do that. Don't put basil syrup in a honey jar. At Alex's Cocktail Club.